I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education. And you know, YourPD Education is the platform which is providing you the guidance, mentoring for admissions abroad. And there are many students who aspire for admissions abroad, especially for PhD programs after BTech and Masters. So one question comes to their mind, and there is a misconception that getting admission abroad is difficult compared to India. In fact, it is other way around. I tell you honestly. I give you example. If your BTech percentage is less than 60%, if your BTech CGPA or percentage, BTech or MTech, I'll say, if your BTech or MTech percentage is less than 60%, it is very difficult to get admission in India in PhD, because there is a cutoff, you cannot get it. That is the first criteria, right? But abroad, there are so many universities which will provide you admission in PhD even if this is the situation. Why? Because they give maximum value to research proposal, what you call as cover letter, though there is a small difference between cover letter and research proposal. Then there are GRE, then there is a mailing the professor. In India, you don't get admission in PhD on the basis of these. The call will come on the basis of CGPA and GATE score. The moment call comes, then there will be interview, and in the interview these things are checked. But abroad may the admission, the call for admission will come on the basis of all these, and this is one of the criteria which is not very crucial criteria. So all those students who think that our academic background or academic things are not very strong, they have very good opportunities and chances to get admission in foreign universities. You should basically target that. So even if your CGPA is less or something, or if you think you will not get it, just discuss once with the mentors of YourPedia. Maybe your ideas will change and you start applying in these universities. I always tell you that it is better to go for PhD abroad or pursue from there. Why? Because you get more exposure, international exposure. You meet with different people, different professors. That is the one learning you have. No doubt that our IITs are the best, our teachers are also very good, our labs are also equally good. That is not there. But one thing we miss in India, which we can tell very clearly, is international exposure. When you go to IIT Delhi, Bombay, Gandhinagar, in your lab you will not find person from China, Japan, Korea. You will not do that. But the moment you go to, let's say, Purdue University or any other university, Oklahoma State University, Michigan State University or something, you will find that in the lab you have people from Asia, you have people from Europe, you have people from Japan, Russia, China, all these places. So that international exposure is something which is worth it. How much you have to spend for PhD? You have to earn. And YourPedia is always guiding you for earning, not spending. There is another advantage which you have. So go for it, and no misconceptions. Get a clarification first and then start applying. And as I told you in my previous video, next 6 months to 1 year is the best for applying abroad. Do that. Thank you.